An Air Act plane flying over. This is the second Boeing 747 that we saw today, just after the Atlas Air flew over. A Korean Air flying over. It's another Boeing 747. The amounts of 747s coming out of New York right now are absolutely magical right now. It's a Queen of the Skies, of course, once again. We got that going on. Look at them details on that bad boy. That thing's at 9,000 feet. I'm at times 20 zoom. That's what you can get with that. And yeah, there we are, everybody. This thing is from New York to Seoul. So, yeah, makes sense. Atlas Air flying over. I don't know if you can even hear me over this wind. Holy crap. It's a Boeing 747. Queen of the Skies, everybody. JFK to Anchorage. Yeah, we also got a Caterpillar down there, I'm pretty sure. So yeah.